Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is a quick review of Web App Note version 17. Some things that I've noticed, and it's not terribly important. When you zoom in and out, you see that at 100%, which is what it's at now, it covers up the button, this button here, which is change background. Custom image from URL. Okay, I don't know how to use that, so let's try custom image from a URL. I'm just randomly choosing this one. Let's see if it works. Copy image URL. Close that. Close that. And I'll change the background. So let's try this. It's going to be ugly, but let's see what happens. Doesn't look like it works. Or maybe, no, it's a JPEG. Alright, so that doesn't seem to be working. I don't know why. The help documents don't have anything about that. In fact, I think these help documents are kind of old. So, what else? There's a new table function down here. I don't believe that wasn't there earlier. So we can do pros. Tabbing doesn't work. So if you try to tab, in fact, backspace through that did not work either. So backspacing tabs won't work. How do you get rid of the tabs? Interesting. Okay, so tables, hard to delete tabs. Backgrounds don't seem to work. What else? Tables. Let's change the colors. Change colors. This is bad. Hard to read as well. Backgrounds. Alright. Backgrounds don't seem to work. Tables, hard to delete tabs, if at all. And let's zoom in. The fonting is a little wonky. It'd be nice if I could kind of drag the text and make it bigger, but the note sizes have gotten smaller. Still can't name the notes themselves. Can't put titles in this area here. You can grab it, but you can't name it, which would be very nice. Let's delete that, and we'll add a new. So pros. Don't use tabbed any. Control Shift Tab. Is that going to work? Shift Tab works. Okay, Shift Tab works. Shift Tab works. Cons. Lots of questions. What am I supposed to test? Questions. What to test? Okay, so pros, cons, backgrounds don't seem to work. Backgrounds don't seem to work. And a shift and hitting the tab usually in my mind creates the next tab, but this instance no. Tables are wonky. Theoretically, I'm supposed to be able to move these around, but they don't seem to stick. That one moved. And it gets a little broken. Yeah, see that? If I move this, say, to the front, it jumps somewhere else. I'm not quite sure where. There's no sort no sort of tabs by last edited. And can't move tabs around. I don't know, I love Web App Note. Don't get me wrong. I love Web App Note. I use it all the time. You can see of all these tabs, and I fill them up, and I use them, and I continue using them. But there's some things that need to be adjusted. Let me see if I can create a new note. Okay, rename it. It's not letting me rename. I'll save before I go anywhere else. And see if I can rename it. Double clicking doesn't seem to be working. Alright, thanks for watching, and give Web App Note a try. I mean, it's got some great tools. If you liked Google Notebooks, you will like Web App Note. Thank you, and happy computing.